you will need 2 eggs, a tablespoon of butter, fresh spinach, mushrooms, a bowl, 2 pans, one to saute the mushrooms and one to cook the omelet. You will need olive oil and salt and pepper. First, we are going to prepare the eggs. Mix the eggs for a few minutes. Next, we will prepare the mushrooms and spinach and we will put them in the pan. Here we will saute the mushrooms and we will prepare to make the ultimate omelet. Then you are going to add the mushrooms to the melted butter. Here you will let the mushrooms cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Next step, you'll prepare the other pan by spraying olive oil onto it. Once the mushrooms have started to brown, you can then go ahead and add the spinach. Next, we are ready to make the omelet. First, we will go ahead and add the eggs into the pan. Once we have added the eggs to the pan, we're going to go ahead and add the mushrooms and spinach into the pan. To season the omelet, you can then add salt and pepper. Now we will wait until we start to see the eggs cooking. Next, we will go ahead and then flip the omelet.